tech enthusiasts, Fluffy here, and today we're unboxing a brand new Redmi Note 14. Let's dive right in and see what makes this smartphone so special. First off, check out this sleek design. The Redmi Note 14 looks stunning right out of the box. Let's take a closer look. This phone feels premium with its Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It adds durability without compromising on style, perfect for those accidental drops. Now let's talk about the camera. The Redmi Note 14 boasts a 108 megapixel AI camera system. That's right, 108 megapixels. Capture every detail in crystal clear quality, day or night. Next, you have the stunning 120Hz eye care display. It's smooth, vibrant, and easy on the eyes. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing, the Redmi Note 14 has you covered. Under the hood, you've got the powerful MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra. This ensures seamless performance even for those most demanding apps and games. Say goodbye to lag. And don't worry about running out of juice. The Redmi Note 14 packs a massive 5500 mAh battery with 33 watts turbocharging. Power through your day and recharging in no time. Security is a priority with the secure in-screen fingerprint sensor. It's fast, reliable, and keeps your data safe. The Redmi Note 14 is an all-arounder, from its camera to its display, battery, and performance. Redmi has outdone itself with this one. You can experience it all right at your fingertips. Here are some sample videos and photos we took while we were unboxing and doing our first impression. That's it for today's unboxing and first impressions. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy tech exploring!